Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience using the product. Today we're exploring Yesim.app, a service offering eSIM data plans for travelers. This digital SIM card eliminates the need for physical SIM swaps, allowing seamless connectivity across multiple countries. The process begins by downloading the Yesim app, available for both Android and iOS devices. Once installed, users can browse a variety of data packages tailored to different regions and durations. Pricing varies depending on the chosen plan and destination. After selecting a suitable plan, payment is handled securely within the application. Upon confirmation, the eSIM is downloaded directly to your compatible device. This digital profile acts as your data connection, negating the need for physical SIM cards. Activation is typically straightforward, with the app guiding you through the necessary steps. Yesim aims to provide a convenient and cost-effective solution for staying connected while abroad, avoiding potentially high roaming charges. One of Yesim's key features is the ability to manage multiple eSIM profiles. This is especially useful for frequent travelers who visit different regions. The app allows users to switch between profiles as needed, simplifying the process of adapting to varying network requirements. Additionally, Yesim often offers promotions and discounts, making it a potentially budget-friendly option for international data. However, as with any service, there are potential considerations. Compatibility is essential, so it's crucial to verify that your device supports eSIM technology before purchasing a plan. Network coverage can also vary depending on the destination and local infrastructure. While Yesim strives for comprehensive coverage, some areas may experience limited connectivity. Reviewing user feedback and researching the specific regions you plan to visit can provide valuable insights. For those who prioritize seamless connectivity and the convenience of managing data plans digitally, Yesim.app presents a compelling option in the world of travel technology.